Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we'll explain how the Sezzle app works and what you need to know about using it. This video explains Sezzle's features, how it helps you shop with buy now, pay later options, and some important things to consider before using it. Sezzle is a buy now, pay later service that lets you split your purchases into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. You can use Sezzle both online and in stores at thousands of retailers. To get started, download the app, create an account by verifying your phone number and identity, and link a payment method like a bank account or debit card. One of the main features of Sezzle is Sezzle App, which allows users to build their credit by reporting on time payments to credit bureaus like TransUnion. This can help improve your credit score if you make payments on time, but keep in mind that missed payments can negatively affect your credit as well. Sezzle also offers a virtual card that you can use anywhere Visa is accepted, giving you more flexibility to shop beyond partnered merchants. There are additional app features such as automatic coupon application and price drop notifications to save you money. Using Sezzle is simple. When you make a purchase, your payment is split into 4 equal installments. You pay the first installment at checkout, and the remaining 3 payments are automatically deducted every 2 weeks. There is no interest as long as you pay on time, but late payments can result in fees, so staying on schedule is important. Some users have reported occasional issues with customer service, such as delays in refunds or difficulty reaching support. Also, a few users have experienced app glitches like incorrect payment due dates. It's important to monitor your account regularly and contact support if you notice any problems. Compared to other buy now, pay later services like Klarna or Afterpay, Sezzle's key advantage is its ability to help you build credit through Sezzle App. However, its merchant coverage and budgeting tools may be more limited compared to competitors. In summary, Sezzle can be a helpful tool for spreading out payments and potentially building credit. If you use it responsibly, always be sure to pay on time to avoid fees and watch for any app issues. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.